Hello everyone, welcome to day 13, and the word we had today was teeming. Now I had to rattle my brains because, there isn't a bird, one single bird for teeming. And so while I was thinking about what it could possibly be or how I could use the jigsaw's birds, it came to my mind about when the birds start to roost, when they all gather together in a big flock and do these amazing clouds. And if you're ever outside when it gets to dusk and you watch this phenomena, it is absolutely amazing. Sometimes it's starlings. Where I live, it's starlings mostly, and where my son lives, he's got an attic room, and we've opened up the window in the past, and we have just watched the sky turn black with birds as they ebb and flow and twist. My little picture doesn't really do it justice, but what I wanted to do with this particular one was to show you the jigsaw puzzle pieces and how I changed them into little birds. Now, they're not brilliant because when you find the jigsaw puzzle pieces, some of the little ends are higher than the other, but it's just to give you an idea of how you can use something like a jigsaw piece to be inspiring, and the word teeming again is inspirational. So I hope you enjoy this little flock of black birds. And I do hope that you do find the time to just sit at twilight and watch these birds roost. It's the most amazing thing. I don't know why they do it. I don't know. I've never really found out. But if anybody does know why they do it, please put down in the comments below, because I really would love to know why they do this fantastic display. I mean, it amazes me that they never actually bang into each other, but they don't. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave you to watch me finish this off, and I wonder what bird it will be tomorrow.